Hello students, welcome back to the chapter Safety and First Aid. So in the last class of this chapter, we came to know about what is meant by first aid and what are the steps followed in providing the first aid for an injured person in case of emergency. Okay. So in that also we had seen so many methods of giving first aid for different emergency situations. In that we studied about the first type of providing first aid for the one of the emergency situation, that is about for the burns, right? So today we will discuss about few more methods of providing first aid for different emergency situations. So what are those emergency situations? Let us see once here. So first aid. So now in today's class we are going to cover about these emergency situations. The second situation will be first situation that we had discussed in the last class. It was about for the first aid given for the emergency situation like burns. मतलब जल गया, अगर किसी इंसान को कुछ जल गया तो उस वक्त किस तरह का फर्स्ट एड देना चाहिए, that we had studied in the last class. So in today's class, first we will discuss about the first aid. What kind of first aid will be given for a person if he gets a wound, cuts and scratches. Wound मतलब जख्म, cuts मतलब कुछ knife, scissors, चाकू वगैरह से कुछ अगर कट गया हो तो that is called cuts, and scratches. If we while running or going, if we fall and if we get a bleed, that kind of it is called scratches. Okay, so what kind of first aid will be given for wounds, cuts and scratches, that we will discuss. Next we will see what kind of first aid will be given for the nose bleeding. So नाक, अगर किसी की नाक से खून बह रहा हो तो so what kind of first aid we should give for that person, that we will see. Next what kind of first aid will be given for the sprains and strains. Sprain मतलब मोचाना, मतलब if we are walking somewhere suddenly, if we are walking or playing, we will fall suddenly or unknowingly, right? At that time we will get a sprain. Sprain means मोचाना. Okay, पैर में कभी, पैर में, हाथ में कभी कभार मोच आ जाती है, right? That is called sprain. इसकी वजह से we will get so much of strain, that means दर्द. Okay, पैर का मुड़ जाना, पैर जिस्म का किसी भी हिस्से का मुड़ जाना, अकड़ जाना, जिसकी वजह से सूजन या फिर दर्द होना, that kind is called sprain. So we will see what kind of first aid will be given if suddenly if you get a sprain or strain. Next we will see the methods of giving first aid for the fractures. Fractures are nothing but the bone fracture. If the accident is severe, then surely we will it will lead to the bone fracture, right? हड्डी टूट जाएगी. So जिसकी and that for that different first aid will be given. Okay, the first aids will be different for nose bleeding, it will be different for this wounds, cuts and scratches, it will be different for sprains, and it will be different for the bone fractures also. So next and the last we will see the first aid given for a person if he or she gets a animal bites. Okay, अगर किसी जानवर ने काट दिया हो तो किसी इंसान को, तो उस वक्त हमें क्या करना चाहिए फर्स्ट एड के तौर पर. Already we know what is the first aid. It's the temporary medical care given for the injured person before we reach to a doctor, right? डॉक्टर के पास जाने से पहले जो पर्सन इंजूर्ड हुए हैं कर, उसको जो हम केयर के तौर पर पहला मेडिकल स्टेप जो हम हेल्प प्रोवाइड करते हैं, that it is called as first aid. So here we will see what kind of first aid will be given if a person has got bitten by any kind of animals like dogs, cats, snake and so on. So what are the measures that we have to follow while giving the first aid for a person who had got bitten by animal bite. So now let us see, and you have to note down the points stepwise, but you have to put the first headings, note down, put this first as number 2, 1 for the first aid for the burns, this is the 2, first aid for wounds, cuts and scratches, and note down the point that will come under this. Next go for 3 heading, first aid for nose bleeding, then cover up the points which will come under this. Next go for 4, first aid for sprains and strains and so on. Okay, so note down the points and listen carefully.
Cuts, bruises and wounds. First aid. Wash your hands immediately with soap and clean water. Wash the wound with clean water and an antiseptic liquid. Pat dry the wound with a piece of clean cloth or cotton gauze. Apply antiseptic cream on the wound. Cover the wound with a gauze piece and bandage it firmly. Nosebleed. A nosebleed is loss of blood from the tissue lining the nose. Bleeding most often occurs in one nostril only. The patient needs medical attention as loss of blood might lead to other complications. First aid. Have the person sit down in a comfortable but upright position and lean forward slightly. Keep a clean cloth or handkerchief on the nose to prevent bleeding. Keep a wet cloth or an ice pack on the nose of the patient and have the patient breathe slowly through the mouth. Never pack the nostrils with gauze. Seek medical help at the earliest. Sprain. Sometimes, while playing or by accident, a muscle or a joint, such as the ankle or the wrist, can get twisted. The twisted joint, which swells up and is very painful, is called a sprain. First aid. Rest the affected part immediately on a flat surface, such as a table. Apply an ice pack. Put some ice cubes in a clean handkerchief or towel and apply it lightly to the injured area. Apply a medicinal ointment or gel for sprains after checking with an adult or doctor. Take care to not move the sprained part. Wrap an elastic bandage around the sprained joint to restrict movement. Fracture. A fracture is a crack or break in a bone. This generally happens when the person crashes against something with a huge impact or falls from height on a hard surface. People injured in vehicular mishaps such as road or rail accidents and air crashes almost always suffer from multiple fractures. First aid. The patient is likely to be in severe pain. Calm the person down by having him sit in a relaxed and comfortable position. Use a stick as a splint, holding it under the fractured part to support it. Tie it lightly, yet in a secured manner to support the broken bone. Avoid any kind of movement. Call for an ambulance and rush the person to the hospital without delay. Animals bite and rabies. Sometimes people get accidentally bitten by animals. Animal bites can be dangerous since there are many kinds of germs that live in the saliva of dogs, cats, and monkeys. Rabies is a deadly disease that spreads through animal bites and results in death. First aid. Wash the wound with soap and under running water to remove saliva. Ensure that you do not scrub, since it may bruise the tender tissue. Apply an antiseptic lotion or cream. A person bitten by an animal must be rushed to the doctor so that he or she may be given an anti-rabies injection before its symptoms such as redness or pain and swelling of the wound or oncoming fever start getting expressed. We now know how to take care of and provide first aid to anyone in need. Remember to always call for an adult in case of any injury or accident.
Okay student, that was all about this chapter, safety and first aid. I hope now you have understood about different kinds of first aid given at different emergency situations. But do remember to call any elder or a doctor while giving a first aid or emergency help for any kind of injured person. Okay? In the next class, we will start another new chapter. But before that, complete the homework, explanation book and class work regarding this chapter. Thank you.